Welcome back to Import to Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today, we have the first RTR Mustang in the country. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. Here we have the first RTR Mustang in the country. RTR means ready to rock. I'm their official dealer here in the Philippines. I love how this looks, how aggressive this car looks after putting all the RTR body kits. For the front end, the RTR kit consists of the front splitter, the hood vents, and the grille which lights up. I really like that. Actually, this is my personal favorite part of the RTR kit. Also, we painted all the trims to gloss black to match the body kit and to match the grille and to match everything. So this car is sporting the RTR side skirt. It attaches to the stock side skirt which we painted in gloss black as well. I really don't like how the stock side skirt looks. It has this textured line finish which it makes it look cheap. So I painted it gloss black and painted the RTR side skirt gloss black as well to make it look wider. All the trims, as mentioned earlier, we painted gloss black. Even the side mirror plastic trims is painted gloss black. I forgot to mention, all the RTR kit is made out of plastic. Technically, it's pretty cheap and also not high maintenance. High maintenance meaning to say you can scrape the front without really worrying as much, and you can just paint it and you can repair it easily. This is one good thing about running a non-carbon body kit on the car. Going to the wheels, I've installed an AL13 forged wheels. The model name is called C007R. The finish is polished lip with the black inners with the brush centers. I really like it because it suits the car. It's classy finish. You never get tired of looking at it. Also, wrapped in Michelin PS4S tires measuring 275/35/20. This car is equipped with the Brembo optional big brake kit. So yeah, looks great. We just painted the Brembo calipers to red because from stock form, this is colored black. We've installed the custom decal as well in gloss black. I really like it. All the way here, the rear quarter panel. For the rear, I've painted the whole lower portion of the bumper, including the rear diffuser, to gloss black. We've installed an RTR rear quarter splitters. This is an add-on from RTR. Also, the RTR rear deck lid spoiler. Usually when you see the RTR kit, it comes with the black spoiler. I believe it's so much nicer and cleaner if you paint it body color. This car is equipped with a Borla Type S exhaust. The tips is in gloss black finish just to match the gloss black painted diffusers. Looks really nice and looks aggressive. Now that we have a car that looks fast, I actually had to make sure that it goes fast. So I've installed a Ford Performance supercharger system on the car. We've equipped this Mustang with the Ford Performance supercharger. It's rated for 810 horsepower. It consists of the intercooler, the bigger throttle body, the dual high-performance intake. It also has the GT500 fuel injectors, and you get to have a handheld which you can flash and install the supercharger tune on the car. I believe this is the first new body Mustang that has a supercharger installed on it. We've installed a Whipple supercharger before in an older body that was like maybe 7 years ago, but I believe this is the first to have a supercharger, Ford Performance supercharger with a new body Mustang, and I love it. It's rated around 810 horsepower. Well, you get around 810 horsepower and 615 torque. But my butt dyno says it's producing, the car right now is producing around 700 horsepower. With our octane, gas octane here in the Philippines, it's so much lower than compared to the States. You can hear the supercharger whine according to my media team. They're filming earlier. I can hear it inside, but yeah, it's well heard outside according to them. This car has the Borla Type S exhaust system. The owner didn't want to have cabin drone and didn't want it too loud, so we've installed a not so aggressive exhaust system on her car. It sounds deep, not raspy at all, and it doesn't have any cabin drone. One, two, three, go. Wow. Fast. It's a beast. If you have extra money and if you want extra power, this is the way to go. Very linear power, well, very aggressive, and yeah, it puts down the power good because you get all the power from down low and all the way to the higher RPM. Okay, one more time. Even if I have Michelin PS4S tires, wider setup, it still spins until like third gear. It's crazy. So that's it for this Ford Mustang build feature. Like, subscribe, share. I hope you guys love our Mustang build, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Goodbye.